The Vikrami Solar Lights VSL-2000 are designed to provide exceptional brightness with 448 LED beads, ensuring your outdoor spaces are well illuminated. These solar-powered lights offer intelligent control with 3 distinct modes, including motion sensor activation, timed brightness, and constant illumination. Installation is hassle-free as there are no wires involved, making these lights a versatile choice for various outdoor settings such as gardens, driveways, and patios. Built to withstand harsh weather, the lights feature an IP67 waterproof rating and can function in temperatures ranging from -20 to 100 degrees Celsius. One of the standout features is their efficient solar charging, which allows for up to 12 hours of operation in induction mode after just 4 to 6 hours of sunlight exposure. Vikrami has ensured that these lights are not only practical but also environmentally friendly, as they eliminate electricity costs completely.